You served your country with honor. But when it comes to filing a VA disability claim, things can feel complicated. Let's simplify it, step by step. Feeling overwhelmed by paperwork, forms, and government websites? You're not the only one. The truth is, millions of veterans never file a claim, and they miss out on benefits they've earned. This video walks you through the exact process of filing a VA disability claim, even if you've never done it before. First, gather your documents. You'll need your DD-214, medical records, and any personal notes about your condition. Don't forget, journals, buddy letters, and work records can all support your claim. Anything that proves how your condition affects your life. Save it. The stronger your evidence, the faster and more accurate your decision will be. Next, go to VA.gov. Click on File a Disability Claim under the Disability section. You'll need to log in using id.me or login.gov. Once inside, the VA will ask you about your service history, the condition you're claiming, and when it began. Be honest and clear. Upload every piece of evidence you've gathered. Don't assume they already have it. Once submitted, your claim enters the review phase. Now, you wait. This part can take several weeks or even months. Watch your email and your online portal for updates. The VA may schedule you for a compensation and pension exam, also called a C&P exam. This is a critical part of your claim. Show up. Be honest. Don't downplay your symptoms. This is your one shot to describe how your condition affects your daily life. The VA will then evaluate your diagnosis and the level of impact it has on your functioning. This becomes your disability rating. Once complete, you'll receive a decision letter in the mail or through your VA portal. It will explain your rating, payment details, and effective date. But what if your claim is denied or the rating feels too low? Don't panic. You have options. You can file a supplemental claim, request a higher-level review, or go to the Board of Appeals. Each option gives you a chance to submit new evidence or ask for a second opinion. Use VA.gov or talk to a VSO, a Veterans Service Officer, to help you decide which path is best. You can also use tools like Vet Mentor AI to help prepare evidence and optimize your claim. Keep in mind, VA disability payments are tax-free, and you may be eligible for back pay from your original file date. That can mean thousands of dollars you didn't know were owed to you. You fought for your country. Now it's time to fight for what you've earned. Don't leave money, support, or care on the table.